Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to cover the 8th chapter of our English course book, Gulliver in the Land of Giant. In the second, we are going to cover the second part of the chapter. Now let's move on into the chapter. So in the previous part we have studied that how Gulliver was sailing with his crew, and while traveling to Surat because of the storm they reached an unknown land, and then his crew members were distressed for water. So the captain of the ship sent Gulliver along with some men to search water in the land. So after some time the remaining men who accompanied Gulliver saw a huge man and ran away from that land, and Gulliver was left alone. Then Gulliver was then found out by some huge men, and this huge men were fascinated by looking at the size of Gulliver. Gulliver gifted him their bag of gold, and the master Gulliver gifted this man a bag of gold, and then one of the man, that is the master, wrapped Gulliver in a handkerchief and took him back to his home. Now he took me to his wife. What is that? Who are you, little man? Hello, ma'am. Now this master took Gulliver to his wife, and by looking at Gulliver, the wife was shocked and she shouted, "Ah, what is that?" So then she was a bit calm after looking at him, and then she said, "How are you, little man?" Then Gulliver replied by saying, "Hello, ma'am. A servant brought in dinner. That meat is so huge and looks delicious." Then, after some time, the servant of the master brought our dinner, and he had a huge meat in his house. By looking at the meat, Gulliver said that meat is so huge and it looks extremely delicious. At the dinner table with the farmer and his wife, three children, and an old grandmother. "Little man, meet my family. You must be hungry. Have some dinner with us." Okay. So now all of them were seated, or the master and his family were seated in the dinner table. In the dinner table, there was the farmer, his wife, three children, and an old grandmother. Then the master said to Gulliver that little man, he denoted Gulliver as little man. He said that little man, meet my family. The wife of the farmer said that you must to said to Gulliver that you might be hungry, you can have some dinner with us. She offered me some minced meat and bread crumbs. The master made me a sign to come to his side. But okay, now the wife of the farmer, she offered him some minced meat. Minced means कटे हुए pieces. Okay, minced meat, and she offered him some bread crumbs, कुछ bread के टुकड़े. Now the master made a sign to Gulliver to come towards him. He made an indication that Gulliver come towards me. But what happened? His youngest son took me up by the legs, and but master took me from him and put me back on the table. Thanks, master, for saving me. So, but while he was going towards the master, what did the youngest son of the farmer do? He took up Gulliver by his leg, but the master took him back from his younger son. Then Gulliver thanked the master for saving him. Pearl, my mistress' favorite cat, lived into her lap. So the master's wife, that is the mistress, had a very favorite cat. She jumped into her lap. Lap means god. "Hello, Miss Mighty, glad to meet you. How are you?" Purr, but the cat was least interested. So now the Gulliver greeted the cat, and he wished the cat by saying that, "Hello, Miss Mighty Cat." Mighty means huge cat. "I am glad to meet you. How are you?" But the cat was not interested in meeting Gulliver. The nurse came in with a year-old child in her hand. "Wow, cute baby, please don't eat me. Mistress, please help me." The mother held her upon under me and I was saved. Apron under me and I was saved. Okay. Now the nurse came into the dining room, and she had a very year old child, a say 1 year old child in her hand, and the child was crying. So the baby child took Gulliver by his hand, and he was about to put Gulliver in his mouth. And then Gulliver shouted for the master's wife and asked for help and said that, "Mistress, please help me." Then what did the mistress do? She put her apron under Gulliver, and Gulliver was saved. After dinner, "Can you please take care of this little man?" "Sure, master." After dinner, what happened? The mistress handed over Gulliver to her servants, and asked them that can they take care of this little man. To which the servants replied that yes, they can. She put me on her own bed and covered me with a clean white handkerchief. She caressed me and put me to sleep. Okay. Now what did the servant's wife do? The servant wife put Gulliver in her own bed, and she covered Gulliver with a clean white hanky. She caressed me. Caress matlab sir sehlana. Okay. She caressed me and put to sleep. and put him Gulliver to sleep. I dreamt I was at home with my wife and children. Suddenly two rats crept up the curtains and attacked me. Okay. Now while Gulliver was sleeping, he was dreaming of his home where he was with his wife and children. What happens then? After some time, suddenly two rats came from behind the curtain and they attacked Gulliver. Sit back or I will else I will kill with you with this hanger. Okay. So Gulliver, by looking at the rats, the Gulliver want them to sit back, or else he will kill them with this hanger. Hanger means he would have had a wire, electric wire, or something like that. Okay, I warned you before. Now face your fate. Frightened, his comrade ran away. So still one of the cats attacked Gulliver. So Gulliver gave him an electric shock. Looking at this, what happened? The rats died. One of the rat died, and looking at one of the rat died, the another companion of the rat also ran away. The nurse came into the room. Mom, I fought bravely. Mom, I will always protect you. Okay. Then the nurse came into the room, and by looking at that, the Gulliver had fighted against the rat. She was very happy, and Gulliver also denoted the servant as mom, as and said that mom, I fought bravely against this rat. Mom, I will, and he also said that mom, I will always protect you. Students, I hope you all are able to understand the chapter. Thank you.